Hey guys, this week Claude launched Claude 5 and then Kimi K2.7 came into the market to compete with Claude 5. And after these two, another biggest model came and that is GLM 5.2. So yes, this week is not like a normal week. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use GLM 5.2 on your PC free of cost. So make sure to watch the video till the end and don't forget to like, share and subscribe and click the bell icon to all so you never miss any update. So without wasting time, let's get started. Okay guys, so what exactly is GLM 5.2 and why it is entire tech community going crazy over it on Twitter right now? I have been testing this model inside the official code editor called JetCode and the results are honestly blowing my mind. Let's look at the key features. 1 million context window. Yes, you heard right. The previous GLM 5.1 model has 200k context limit, but 5.2 just boosted it to 1 million token in a single conversation. That means you can drop your entire massive code base or complete documentation straight into the prompt without breaking it. Coding and agentic focus. It is specially designed for repository scale coding, autonomous software engineering, and multi-file refactoring. Open weight. It is completely open weight. They haven't officially released the direct download yet, but they will very soon. If you take a look at SWE benchmark for a long horizon engineering task, you start seeing the real difference. Models easily generate landing pages, but when it comes to maintaining logic over huge repositories, GLM 5.2 is keeping pace with, and in some reviews, completely surprising. Claude Opus 4.6 people on Twitter saying it gives an exact same coding vibe writing style as Opus 4.6. So let me just show you how you can use this model completely free of cost on your PC. Okay, so without wasting time, let's get started. So what you have to do is simply come to this website named zcode. Okay, and here if you take a look, it says zcode 3.0 is GLM 5.2 optimized. Okay, so yeah, you can use GLM 5.2 here. Now how it works, let me just show you. First, what you have to do is just you have to click here and download it. If you have Windows, they are provide Windows as well. Okay, so no need to worry, just you have to click and it start downloading. As you can see, it start downloading. So after downloading, now it's time to do it. So what we have to do is simply just in my Mac we have to just drag and drop, but in your Windows you have to just run as administration. Okay, so now it's finally done and now it's time to test it out. So just open this one and you can see that this is the interface of Zcode. Now here if you take a look at left side, the same design like ChatGPT or Gemini, on the right side we have everything. Now here you can see here just below there is an option called ask before changes, edit automatically, plan mode, or full access. So you can just edit or change these features as you want. Second thing is, here you can choose the model. Here you have two models right now, that is GLM 5.2 and GLM 5 turbo. Okay, now next comes here the thoughtful level, means how much you want it to think. Okay, so you can just move to max, high, or no thinking. Next come here as skills. If you have, you can just add skills here. Okay, then here if you just take a look at uses, there are some uses level here you can see. So yeah, everything stay here. So now it's time to check this out. Okay, so what we will do is, for now we will just first we will just type hello to check is that really working or need to authenticate. So here it started, and yeah, so yeah, it started working properly and without wasting any issues. Now what we will do is we will just create a landing page. Okay, so we will give the same prompt as earlier. Okay, so let's copy the prompt and paste it here. So here is the prompt, and let's just click just select this max to high, and now it's time to click on this send button. So here click on send, and now you can see it start thinking. Okay, so I have provided all these stuffs, and now let's see what it creates. Okay, in the meantime guys, if you like this video, make sure to like it, share this video to everyone, and don't forget to subscribe it and press the bell icon to all so that you get the notification as soon as possible. So guys, finally the website is ready and let's see how it looks like. Okay, so here you can see an index file is created and here you can see all the progress reports, how much task it created, and then all the details here. Okay, now it's time to open it. So let's open this. And yeah, you can just open this here as well, but let's open this in a new terminal. Okay, so here is our index.html. Now let's click on it and here is the design. So look at the design guys, and it looks beautiful. Here you can see the design is impressive and wonderful. The design is attractive as well. If you can watch this, here is the testimonials and all the designs here. Then here we have pricing, and here then look at the design guys. It really impressive guys. So yeah, the I like the design and it looks crazy. So guys, if you have anything or any doubt, just let me know in that comment section and I will try to provide you the answer as soon as possible. Okay, so go and try guys, and I tried and it looks crazy. But if you have any doubt, just let me know in the comment section and I will provide the answer. Okay, so see you in the next video guys. Happy coding.